Hello friends, this is Ravi from TecnisiaCAD. Today we are going to work on Junction feature that comes in BIW templates in generative shape design, and this option we can get from here. I'm going to use startup menu, go for shape design, and you can see there generative shape design option will be available. Go for it, use part 1, click OK. And you can see this is the Junction feature you can get from BIW templates. Now we are just making a copy of the plane. Create an existing plane 1. Give the distance of 100 millimeter. Create another one. Create one more in the reverse direction, and then go for another one in reference direction. So we have created 4 planes here. Create one geometry here. In the geometry I am creating a circular arc. The size I am giving here is around 30. Make another sketch on second plane. Create third geometry, and this geometry I am giving of some other size. Now we can see this is the four segments we have created. Now we have to go for the command which is junction. Click on first geometry, then second, give third, and fourth, and you can see this will be created like this. This is a kind of junction feature. But if we are adding some more feature here, like we are going to create some lines here, so you see there I'm going to create some geometry point to point. So here I have to create one point here on mid of this. Second point I'm creating mid of this. By the 4 curvatures here in coupling, we have created this kind of junction feature. So This is all for today. Thank you so much.